Sånt skevt i komsia.
Finally, inside here today on the 4th of May 2002, we have probably Hakakuja to stick his S here. Tapiola, Hakakuja, Espoo, Helsinki, Helsingfors, region of modernized Finland. Give us these three places to programs in Swedish and Finnish. Everywhere this should be occupied also here. I think this distributing has 18 staircases from A to S.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll get all of them. 6 floors here. It says 1963 on the bunker. Inside it says 1964, so this is early 1964. Turned 55 years old in 2019. The serial number is H11732. And also inside it's in Swedish and Finnish. Except that one is only Finnish.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in next year, 2023. 2 rights.
Yeah.
But quite small.
Yeah.
And U is Ulos exit. And
Yeah.
then 2.
Yeah.
That's quite rare also.
Yeah.
There are 18 staircases, but it's not, I think, because still in Kallio is the biggest residential building company in Finland.
Yeah.
This is one of the biggest.
Yeah.
It was already built at the time when the Helsinki metro was in planning stages, but they might have been talking about it in the 1960s in Espoo, but of course it was not until 2008 that they decided it.
Expected device maintained by Schindler.
Silent try, then you can press. Oh. Thank you very much, Richie. Let's get to the other staircases here.
That's